Hey folks, today we are going to check Feb 2021 love predictions. This is for every individual who are in a relationship, married or single, yes. So pile 1 is we have this keychain, okay. It has I want to return, and we have this blue keychain, okay. So this is pile 1. And pile 2 is this beautiful unicorn crystal, okay. And this is pile 2. So I'll just keep this over here. And the third one is we have this, I don't know what it is, but it's like a teddy bear or something, okay. So pile 3 is this keychain. So I'll just keep this over here. And you can choose a pile which calls out to you intuitively. We'll check the love predictions. We'll check the love predictions for you this Feb 2021. Okay, guys? The timestamps are in the description column below. Yes. So pause the video and see which one calls out to you. Okay, guys? So hey pile 1, if you have chosen this beautiful I want you keychain, let's check. Let's just check what actually your 2021 Feb gonna bring in terms of love. So main theme that is highlighted for pile 1 is freedom. Okay, so people who are in a relationship or married, you're asked to let your partner free. You're holding on to them a lot, okay. And one more thing is like you're being possessive and protective a lot when it comes to them, or you might be that way this Feb. So make sure you do not do that, because I'm seeing your partner feeling what do you say, suffocated. Yes, they are feeling very suffocated by you, or they might feel they will actually this Feb if you are in a relationship or married, because I'm seeing that you have your your own rules or conditions, or you want certain things to be in that way, and you're just so much rigid, okay. You're not flowing with love, you're not feeling that love. You're asked to give away them that space is important, that what do you say, uh, let them have fun with their friends if they wish to not pressurize them, or give them that space, give them that time to be with their own self as well. Because you know what I'm feeling as I'm tapping into your partner's energy, they are not feeling that love from you. They are instead feeling as though, a partner who is very much possessive and insecure, and he who is pressurizing me, and I'm not feeling love. I am feeling so much of as if I'm a student and they are my principal or a teacher asking me what to do and what not to. Yes, so you are asked to give them time, give them space, give them whatever they want, okay. Because if you do not give them space or time or that freedom which they crave this Feb month, there is a high chance of them searching love outside, okay. They are searching the love outside, and there is a chance they might even interact with some other person, some other individual, and they might find that love outside. So if you don't want to lose them, you need to give them space, you need to heal your insecurities, okay. And one more thing that I'm seeing for, so this was the message for people who are in a relationship. But now if you are single, guys, okay, if you're single, I'm seeing that you have two or more than two admirers coming towards you, or just they have this secret crush on you. I'm seeing two or three people having crush on you, and but one of them is a danger, is a threat for you. This is what is being highlighted. However, what you're asked to do is do what you love, okay. Like so what I'm seeing, if you're single, there are options available, and there are 2 to 3 admirers, admiring you from afar. There is a chance they might come and there is this is a general reading, so there is a chance they might come and offer you that cup of love or stability or security or promises as well. But there is a threat in one individual which is going to be a threat or danger to you, because I'm seeing your heart being broken. So when you feel that love deep inside your heart, only then you go towards them. Only if that certain person is giving you that gentleness, that care, that love, which you feel that warmth, okay, only then you accept it. Do not go by the attraction, okay. Do not make a decision because of some kind of attraction without knowing them properly, okay. Or just in the time being, let's just get into a relationship and let's see what happens. No, don't do that shit. Only if you truly feel that love, feel that heat, feel that gentleness, you know go towards that, go with it. But yes, definitely there are 2 to 3 admirers for you, but yes, more than one, definitely. And I'm seeing you making a decision or a choice to which one is gonna give you hope and which one is gonna give you happiness. You are gonna make that choice. So this Feb month, this is the love predictions. Now let's check your mini love cards. Okay, there are 4 mini messages for you. So one is love is most precious, a thought most dear, which comes from deep within the heart. Definitely, it is very much precious and which is most dear to your heart, and it's very deep. Okay, love strengthens the bond of a relationship. Yes, so people who are in a relationship already or married now, they are saying that if you want to be together, if you want to take that relationship to another level of bond, let them feel that love rather than that possessiveness, okay. Because love is the only thing, which will strengthen your bond, okay guys. So the next one is love makes you feel like you have never felt before. So people who are single, now this goes with you. So love makes you feel like you have never felt before. So don't just rush into a relationship because you want to know. You will feel it deep inside you, inside your heart. You'll know it, okay, guys. So the next message that we have is love is a gentle feeling filled with caring for the loved one. Yes, if you feel that gentle and warm energy, if you feel that kindness, if you feel that deep inside your heart, then only then go with it, or else just don't make any kind of rush judgments, okay guys. So pile 1, this was your Feb 2021 love predictions. Okay, please do let me know in the comment section below if it resonated or not. Thank you so much guys. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye. So hey pile 2, if you have chosen this beautiful cute unicorn keychain, yes. So let's check what is the 2021 Feb 2021 love predictions. I forgot to keep this over here. Let's keep it. Yeah. So the main theme for you guys is intimacy. So this is coming strongly for pile 2. So it doesn't matter if you're in a relationship or not. So people who are in a relationship, I'm seeing that the commitment, or if you are committed, I'm seeing the level of commitment rising higher. So a level it's like if you are engaged, you might get married. If you are in a relationship, there is a chance you might take things more ahead. I'm also seeing people going on dates. Okay, pile 2, if you have chosen pile 2, most of the people who are watching this video might go on beautiful date night. I'm also seeing that there is a chance that people in physically intimacy is highlighted for people who are in a relationship. Yes, okay. And one more thing that I am seeing is pile 2, people who are in a relationship. I'm seeing there is some kind of revelation is gonna happen regarding your partner, okay. So this will only be resonated with some of you guys. Okay, like, if you are in a relationship, I am dividing two parts. So one part will have some revelation happening, and the other part will have that deeper level of commitment rising higher. Okay, you're getting my point, yes? So the first part that I'm seeing is some revelation happening because your partner is hiding something. Your partner has been talking to someone else, or there is some fishy thing going on. Okay, and there is a chance this Feb that might rise up. That situation might rise up. Okay, you might get to know the truth. Okay, so the second thing that I'm seeing, second part of people who are in a relationship, take what resonates, guys, this is general reading. Okay, so second part of the people who are in a relationship, I am seeing that you're taking it into the next level. You are being so much naughty, you're being so much what do you say, clingy. Yes, clinginess is coming ahead, and it's gonna be cute, it's gonna be great, and intimacy is highlighted. Okay, and for people who have recently broken up, or I'm seeing some of you guys who are watching this video might have went through a breakup recently. Some of you guys, for them there is a chance that someone else is admiring you from afar and waiting for you. Okay, they are waiting for you when you're gonna go towards them and start the conversation. So I'm seeing that they have been waiting for you and they have been looking for you. And yes, so you're and I guess you know who it is, and you're asked to take a step ahead. And if you don't know who it is, there is a chance this Feb you'll get to know who it is. Okay, and for some of you guys who are single, freshly single or newly single or long time single, I am seeing that you're gonna have a lot of conversations happening, a lot of social engagements, because we have the park over here 20. So I'm seeing some conversation is happening, social engagements, maybe party. I'm seeing partying hard. Some of you guys who are single are gonna go with their friends and party. Yes, and I'm also seeing a lot of online chats happening, online conversation happening. I'm seeing that, and sexual pleasures happening through mobile phones. This is highlighted as well for singles now. Okay, so this is beautiful, I must say, because we have intimacy highlighted, right? So now what is happening, the theme, it's like intimacy is definitely the theme, but one more thing that I'm noticing is, as we have blessed card here, I'm sorry, wait a minute, as we have blessed card here, I am seeing that people who are in a relationship, who are single, who have broken up, are totally, every individual is blessed, because in your life you're committing to a higher level of consciousness when it comes to your relationship with yourself. So what am I seeing is, if you have broken up recently, you're blessed that you have broken up because it wasn't serving you. Okay, if you are in a relationship and going to another extreme high level commitment, then you are blessed. This is the person of lifetime. And if you are in a relationship and some truth is being revealed to you, then you are blessed. Okay, guys, that now at least you know the truth, and now you don't have to be with them. You know the truth and you can walk out. Okay, so next that I'm seeing is, people who are freshly single are also blessed, because they are socially engaging with other individual and having fun. So again, everyone is blessed here. So definitely, now let's but one more thing that I'm noticing is, some of you guys who are watching this video, as I'm seeing higher level of commitment and blessed, as we have 22 number on blessed card as well. Yes, number 22 on the card blessed. So I'm seeing, some of you guys who are watching this video might be in a twin flame connection. I'm seeing some union happening, conversation, communication happening, maybe meetups happening for people who are in a twin flame. Now don't ask me if you are or not. This comes from inner knowingness, so do not ask me that. Okay, and what is twin flame? If you don't know what it is, then it's of no use you asking me this, because that is not your path if you don't know what it is. Okay, So, and yeah, as I'm saying this, we have the moon card here, and right now, as I'm shooting this video, it's full moon right now. And as I'm shooting this video, today is full moon, and definitely I am seeing that some energetic shift has happened for people who are in a twin flame connection, and unions are the doorway of union timeline is opened, and I'm seeing the souls merging together. I'm seeing that vision, okay guys, because we have intimacy as well, right? So on a DNA level, the souls are merging. And one more thing that I'm seeing is, for people who are in a TF connection, I am seeing that yeah, communications happening if you are not in communication with your counterpart. So closing the chapter of twin flame, people who have chosen this pile 2, those who are single, I am seeing there is a chance this Feb month you might find your soulmate coming towards you. Okay, there is a chance that you might find a soulmate. Okay, so you're asked to socialize as much as you can. It's important because you'll find a soul friend, you'll find a soulmate. So now let's check the mini cards love message. We have 4 messages. So the first one that we have is, in love, what words often fail to say, eyes silently convey. Now this is such a beautiful thing. So I'm seeing for people who are single, might meet a person and have that eye contact. Okay, so this is beautiful. And I'm also seeing people who have recently broken up. As I said, someone else is waiting for you from a long time, and they have been waiting for you to take that conversation ahead. Now looking at this, I feel like, there are some things which are unsaid between you both, and I feel like, some eye contact is happening or some kind of communication is happening. So this is what I could predict. And the next one we have is, love makes you feel that you and your beloved are made for each other. So definitely love makes you feel that you both are made for each other. Now we have intimacy highlighted, so definitely beautiful messages coming up. In love, eyes are the mirror to one's soul. Their language does tell what's often left untold. Now again we have the same messages that we had before, that eyes are speaking. So definitely guys who are watching this video, a lot of eye contact is happening, a lot of talking through your eyes. This is so beautiful. So this is happening a lot. And there are things I'm seeing that, you if you have a crush on someone, guys, there is a chance you might have some moment shared with them, some kind of eye contact, though the words are not being spoken and you're not confessing your truth or feelings, but I'm seeing some eye contacts and some beautiful moments happening. Okay, and love always gives the feeling that best is still ahead. Yes, so best is still ahead, so love always gives you feeling. So still ahead, as I'm seeing ahead also highlighted, as I said, a higher level of commitment is rising. So definitely pile 2, such a beautiful reading, guys. Now pile 2, you have amazing love predictions this Feb, so enjoy, have fun, remember me. So no, okay, take care guys. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or not. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Hey pile 3, so if you have chosen this beautiful keychain, I don't know if it's a teddy bear, mouse, cat, I don't know, whatever. So yes, so if you have chosen this beautiful keychain, now let's check how your love predictions 2021 Feb is gonna be like. Okay, so what I'm seeing is, for people who are in a relationship, I am seeing you are asked to be grateful that you have them. Now, what you're doing is, you are in a relationship with that individual, but you are focusing and thinking about if you both would end up with each other or not in the future. So, do not worry about the future. What's meant to happen will happen, but right now, stay in the present and make memories which are worth it. Okay, be sure that you be happy with them, you be happy, you make memories, create some moments which you want to be grateful about. Do not worry about the future. Okay, and people who have recently broken up, as we have here and now card, who have recently broken up, I'm seeing that you are still thinking about your past. lover, past individual. So what the cards are saying me, it's like, this Feb month you are asked to let them go, and I'm seeing you letting them go. I'm seeing you moving on this Feb. I'm seeing you being grateful that that relationship happened. It taught you something in your life. You learned something from that relationship, and it helped you, right? So you are being grateful to that relationship. You're being grateful to universe that thank you so much that I had this beautiful relationship. I learned something from this. So I'm seeing that energy coming up now. People who and one more thing that I'm seeing, if you are in a relationship, guys, I'm seeing you being vulnerable, or your partner being vulnerable to you. I'm seeing a deep connection of emotional bonding is happening. Okay, a bond is being created. I'm so sorry. A new bond is being created by being emotionally available for each other and being vulnerable. Okay, this Feb. Now, this is beautiful. And I'm seeing this Feb month, many of you guys might get proposals, mostly singles. And if you are already in a relationship, there is a chance your partner might propose you, okay, for marriage. Yes. I'm really sorry. So this is what I'm getting. And one more thing that I'm getting, for people who are long time single or freshly single or newly single or whatever it is, I'm seeing that your sexual drive is being really high and your playful energy is also high. Now, what am I seeing is like um I'm seeing that, for people who are single, there is a chance, a you might just flirt and you might just have fun. I'm not seeing you guys being in a relationship, singles. Or if you are single and if you be in a relationship, uh, it's up to you. But most, take what resonates. This is general reading, but most of you guys are watching this video, I'm seeing you just having fun, flirting, and sexual drive is really high. You're just having fun and, partying and flirting and enjoying life. And maybe, yeah, this is what I'm getting. And one more thing for singles that I'm feeling is, if you get a love offer from the opposite side, please say no, because I'm seeing them being a danger or threat in your life. If you get a proposal, if you, if you confess someone, if you propose someone, then it's fine, then it's okay. But I'm seeing if someone comes to your way, comes to you, I don't know. The sickle is highlighted. Number 10 card is being highlighted for people who are single. It's like you are right now in your most playful energies and happy with your own self. So do not let anyone come into your sacred space until and unless they do not offer that commitment. Okay, now people would come and make false promises, but you need to take care. Yes, but people, if you have any kind of crush or something, it's better you confess them in a very playful way, but in a genuine way, so that might blossom. But yes, definitely the main theme that is being highlighted is being grateful for whatever happened in your past and living your life fully and happily. So love predictions that I'm seeing mostly for people who are single, in a relationship, broken up or anything. I am seeing that, living in the present, being in the present with playful energy and being grateful for whatever happened in the past, moving on and having fun. So this is what is highlighted when it comes to love for people who have chosen pile 3. Now we have 4 mini love messages. Let's check what you have got. Now we have love brings along joys beyond measure. Definitely love is pristine and fresh as petals with dew. Love's always true. Yes. you For this is mostly for people who are single. I'm seeing people might come to you with that love offer. So it's like love is beyond things, beyond the feeling. So only if that love is true, just accept it. Otherwise, if it's just an attraction or some what do you say, some selfish reasons, then don't accept it. Okay. Now, love means finding true joy in every big and little thing. So again, we have joy coming here as well, brings joy, and two joys here. So definitely, and we have the child. So playful energy is highlighted. So one, as I said before, pile three, love predictions this Feb 2021 is mostly like you're gonna be in a very playful energy, having fun, enjoying life, and being happy, being grateful, being happy. Okay, so the next one is love helps to put into words the thing we feel so deeply in our heart. So this is for the people who are in a relationship. As I said, you're being vulnerable, you're letting your mask down, and you are being vulnerable, and putting it into words the things we feel so deeply in our heart. So this is beautiful, guys. Pile 3, this was your reading. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if it resonated or not, and if you liked it or not. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. I love you.